Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the FLYFANS olive camo L-39. This is the second flight on her after the remaiden of a new ESC, new motor, and upgrading her to the AS3X Plus. Now I got to stay away from that sun, so my landing will be to the right of the sun coming in on the runway. All right. There is not a breath of wind at all. Timer set for 4 minutes. Okay, let me make sure I'm set here. Well, that sun is bright. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, I do have takeoff flaps in. Okay.
Gear up, flaps up.
I'll tell you what, that AS3X Plus has this little jet locked in so well. It really does. Does need a little bit of down elevator. Bring it right at me. All right, let's see something here. You're flying along, you cut power. No power, holding up the elevator. All right, she kind of slumps off to the right. Not bad, that's a very predictable stall. All right, let's land the plane.
Retracts down. Landing flaps.
Land the plane. We'll need to lessen that mix. A little too much down elevator. Starting to nose in on me. All right.
Takeoff flaps.
Let's see what that does for her. Take off flaps, see if she doesn't lift off a little bit quicker for me. Yeah. Yeah.
Flat gear up.
All right.
Landing flaps.
Oh yeah. Landing flaps, she just slows down. Doesn't dive, doesn't climb, just a nice, controllable, nice and controllable. So smooth. I tell you what, I can really tell. If you fly your jets a lot, like I do, I can tell that AS3X Plus, just so smooth.
Retracts down. Landing flaps.
All right, see how she flies. Fully dirty. Fully dirty. She's so dirty. Not bad. Not bad at all. How much we got left? All right, get back on my dashboard. We still got 1:16. All right, let's take off one more time.
Gear up, flaps up.
Running a 3500 6S.
Retracts down. Landing flaps.
6S. Hobby Star. I think it has a 35C discharge. There we go. Man, what a sweet, smooth flying L-39. Then again, I haven't come across an L-39 that didn't fly amazing from the get-go. Beautiful plane. Beautiful plane. All right. All right, 33 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. Let's see how much juice is left in the tank. I can show you where I've got everything. I need to get out of here, folks. Gotta take Mama to get something to eat. She filmed the first 5 flights for me, and I said, I'm going to do one with my hat cam. She said, okay, not a problem. So, all right. Oh, gosh, these bugs. 49%. I could go up again, but I'm not going to. Gotta take care of Mama. All right, folks, there you go. That is the L-39 by FLYFANS. You can get yours at Banana Hobby. Oh, didn't mean to drop the camera. Just a great flying plane. Easy on the batteries. Economical success. Get a 3000, probably about the best for it. You can get a 4000 put in there, but you're gonna may have to carve a little bit of foam. Just a good looking plane. I mean, especially that sun shine. I gave her a clear coat. That's all I've done. Gave her a clear coat, and I've upgraded to the AS3X Plus with the AR361 that you've got in there. Now you can see I got the antenna poking out in the inlet there. That single antenna. I have absolutely zero problem with frame loss. Let's take a look at our flight log there. Okay, I had 12 fades, no holds. You start worrying about them frame losses, or like some people call them fades, but frame losses. When I start getting up over 70 and stays high like that, then you need to start looking at your antennas, your placement. But if it stays below 50 on a regular basis, you got nothing to worry about. Okay, you got nothing to worry about. So, all right, get back on the dashboard. All right, folks, so there you go. That is the FLYFANS L-39. And this is Fat Guy Flies RC saying God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and God is good. Bye-bye.